Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for a Chipotle chicken salad sandwich with bacon bits. Chicken salad is a food that can be very boring, very bland, but if you spice it up the right way, it can really be something incredible. So stick around, this is a recipe you do not want to miss. So the most important ingredient in the Chipotle chicken salad sandwich is the Chipotle Mayo, also known as Chipotle aioli. This is a homemade version, very easy to make. It takes only a few minutes. I have a link in the description box if you want to put this together yourself, and it's very important because you're not going to get that same level of quality in a store-bought mayo. And if the Chipotle mayo is the most important ingredient, this is easily the second most important ingredient. I have a roasted chicken breast. I roasted a whole chicken. The other option would be to buy a rotisserie chicken, but you definitely want to use a roasted chicken. You don't want to use boiled or poached chicken, and certainly don't use chicken in a can. Some people actually do that for their chicken salad. So, if you do that, your chicken is going to taste like you bought it from a can. So I'm going to start by giving this a rough chop. And that's all you're looking for. Just, finely chop it up. You don't want to pulverize it. You don't want to put it into a food processor because we want some texture in the final result of the chicken salad sandwich. And that was about a heaping cup full of the chicken meat. Now you'll notice I only use white meat. I really prefer breast meat, but you could certainly use dark meat too, or use a combination. So I have the chicken cut up in a large bowl, and I'm going to go in with about 1/3 of a cup of the Chipotle mayo. Might need to get a spoon to help me get that out. Okay, so I got the rest of the Chipotle mayo in there. Now the next thing we want to do, we want to thin that out a bit as well as add some extra flavor and acidity. So I'm going to go in just with about a 1/4 of a lemon squeezed in there. And we're going to give this a big mix. Be sure to season very generously with some pepper and salt. And now we can add in some of the really fun ingredients. I'm going to go in with about 3 strips of bacon that I fried up and cut into small pieces. About 3 spring onions that I have chopped up. And about 1.5 stalks of celery that I've very finely minced. So once you get that all in there, you just want to stir everything to combine it. And that's how it looks. So the spring onion, celery, and bacon are going to add a really nice crunch as well as some good flavors. I like to prepare this first. You want to let it sit for, a good 10 or 15 minutes just to let those flavors blend. And while we let that blend, I'm going to prepare the bread. I'm going to be using a brioche bread that I'm going to toast up. Just going to go in with the skillet over a medium heat. I'm going to go in with a small amount of butter. It doesn't take much because there's actually a lot of butter in the brioche bread, but we just want to let this melt down for just a moment. And once that butter is just very gently sizzling away, we're going to go in there with 2 pieces, and we're going to let that toast for just a few minutes on each side. And you just want to let that gently brown, so it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip it. If you're using your hands like I am, be very, very careful. And we're going to just hit that other side real quick. We're almost ready to put this chicken salad sandwich together. Okay, so now we can build our sandwich. You can use really whatever you like on it, but I like to go on with a little bit of greens and some tomato slices. In this case, just 1 tomato slice. At this point, you'll probably want to hit it with just a little bit more pepper and salt. And then we can add on our chicken salad. And here's the finished product, our Chipotle chicken salad sandwich with bacon on brioche bread. This is a really, really delicious sandwich. I hope you give it a try. Be sure that if you make this, use my recipe for homemade Chipotle mayo, Chipotle aioli. Again, that's in the description. Really hope you enjoyed. I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.